So look what I got.
You're doing really great.
Yeah. Exercise back since I've been in the home inside so much. I'm gonna put this baby together, and it's supposed to look like that. You just got this, cut it open, so I'm gonna lie it down. See what's in this baby. Oh yeah. So this is what it looks like inside. Got all the parts in there. Everything looks like it's in there. Enjoy $10 off on a second purchase upon warranty registration. That's nice. User manual. Do you love me? All I know is supposed to look like this when I'm finished. Let's try this. So here's the user manual. Looks pretty easy, self-explanatory with the diaphragm. Exercise suggestions, troubleshooting, product maintenance. Okay. This is called a MaxKare. That's the name of it. I took all of this stuff, I laid it all out. See all the parts, every piece, every part. It even came with its own tools. How cool. And 2 AA batteries. That's the handlebar, and that's the heart rate pulse compartment here. Scan time, speed, reset mode, set, pulse, calories, odometer, distance. And I chose the color silver and black. I love the seat. The seat is so large because I need a large, and it's so cushiony and soft. Can't wait to see how this is going to look and feel. So this is the box. The huge box it came out of is all empty now. Here's all the stuff, the trash that came with it. I mean, the foam, the styrofoam and everything. And all the paper that it was in and the cardboard. So got all that stuff out the way. Ta-da! All finished. And there it is.